Hello, welcome to Deepika's Recipes. Today we are going to learn how to prepare Masala Bhat. It is a Maharashtrian dish. It is a good variation for dal rice or chapati bhaji. Heat up oil in a cooker. Add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Add bay leaves, cloves, cinnamon and cardamom. Add some curry leaves and sliced onion. Add pinch of hing. Now add green chilli, ginger and garlic paste. Now fry the masala for 2-3 minutes. Do not change the color of the onion, just make it soft. Now add turmeric powder, add green peas and chopped carrots. Give it a good mix. Now add chopped tomatoes and soaked peanuts. Mix well. Now add soaked jeera rice. And mix well. Add water. For 1 cup rice, 1.5 cup water is enough. Add salt to taste and mix well. Cover the lid and cook on medium heat until 2 whistles. Off the gas and let it cool for some time. Open the cooker and mix the rice with ladle once. Sprinkle some fresh coriander on top and serve hot. Masala Bhat is ready to be served with ghee or pickle. I hope you like this simple recipe. Please try at home and enjoy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Deepika's Recipes. Thank you.